How to copy and paste clips on Capcut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can copy and paste clips on Capcut. So it's really simple, so let's dive right into it. First, let's open up our Capcut. You can then finally see any video that you want to update. So let's see, I'll just open this random project and there you can see this is my clip. So what I can do here, if I want to copy this, so let me just split this and make it a bit smaller. So let's say that I want to copy this clip and add it to the front right here. So what I can do is I can select this clip, and after selecting the clip you will see a lot of different options on the bottom, and you'll see a lot of different options in the bottom, and there you will see an option that says duplicate. Sometimes it's also labeled copy, so all you have to do is tap on duplicate and you've just copied this clip. Now you can drag it and place it someplace else. So this is the basic copy and paste. Yeah, you can also call it duplicating or cloning of your clip. And yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you copy and paste clip on CapCut. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye, take care.